Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's travel day for Austin's Adventures and we are travelling to Abu Dhabi with Etihad today. Henry, where are we going? But Henry, who are we flying with today? So dad mode kicks in with checking the board again for where we're going to check in. Let's check in H. And here we are for the next 30 to 40 minutes. I only had 2 people working on check-ins.
Security, the check-in counter took forever because they had one open for economy and it was the longest line. And they started with 2, but then someone went off to do something else. Business class had like 3 check-in counters and hardly anybody there. So eventually we got.
So I come through security, through immigration, finally checked in. It's taken ages to check in. We're finally through. So if you do need any last minute souvenirs, this is where to come get them, heading towards gate 60. Henry's a little bit excited.
Yeah. I want to go to the passport.
Where's our flight? Abu Dhabi is boarding.
Calm down.
So what do you think the flight's going to be like?
Very long.
Yeah? What about the food?
Better than Qantas, I hope.
Hopefully we don't have to share cutlery. I'll see you on board.
How will we get?
We're just waiting at the gate now for them to call our row. It's our turn now. Here we go. So Brooke's in charge of this trip. She's got the passports. Henry, where are we going, mate?
Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, but where are we going now? We're going to Abu Dhabi today on this beautiful thing, aren't we?
Yeah. And it's gonna be.
Oh look, there's 2 Etihad planes out there. There's one, there's another one. There's our Etihad flight, EY451. And there's Singapore's A380 going off to Singapore this afternoon.
22 A, B, and C.
A, B, and C.
Right, what do you got, Henry?
Headphones.
You got some headphones? What's Mum got in the big bag?
So we've got.
Ooh, take it all out.
Some lavender hand cream.
Ooh, nice.
There's a color.
Some earplugs.
Hmm.
Oh, Henry.
Oh, I got an eye mask.
Eye mask with Etihad written on it.
Where can I put this?
What else is in the little bag? Is that it? Oh, you got a nice blanket. Lovely.
But how can I?
We're in row 22 and we have the extra legroom seats here. So look at the amount of legroom I've got.
How can I undo this?
So let's go through all the movies on board that we've got for our 13.5-hour flight today. So it's quite a lot. I've looked through quite a lot of new movies. Some favourites.
The questions.
Some old movies. Children's movies. Arabic movies. Bollywood movies. European movies. Asian cinema, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, German, quite a lot there.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name is Sandra.
What did you get, Henry?
A bag.
Oh, wow.
What's in it?
Who's it got? Scooby-Doo. What's in your bag?
Open it up. Just a quick.
What did we get?
A cover from school.
Oh, wow.
It's a reception.
Oh, look, a passport holder with Scooby-Doo on it.
Guess what I got?
Wow.
I was like, dang.
To unfasten, lift the metal flap and pull the belt apart. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. If emergency oxygen is required during the flight, you must.
Mummy. It's now time for our first meal of the flight, and Henry didn't get his children's meal, but he went with a vegetarian pasta meal. So on this flight we had our pasta, a salad, bread roll. Henry went with an apple juice while watching all of his shows on his iPad. And Brooke went with the chicken, which she said was absolutely fantastic and loved that one. And here's my meal. So we got a little bottle of water, bread roll, we got some butter as well. We got a nice, I think it was a chocolate mousse, which was absolutely delicious. And then we had a salad, little bean salad type thing, which was lovely as well. Here I am trying to open it one-handed while also filming. And I had the beef with mashed potatoes and green beans, and that was an absolutely delicious meal from Etihad for our first meal of the flight. So also with our meals and flying on Etihad, you get actual metal cutlery with them. So we are with our metal and embossed Etihad knife, fork and spoon, which was a great touch to their service and the quality of the airline which you're actually flying with. Now we're a few hours into the flight here, and it was time to go visit the loos to see what the loo review would be like while you're flying on Etihad. It was small enough in the economy sector. You had a place for paper towels, a coat hook. Yeah, nice big coat hook there if you needed to hang up your coat. There was a change table which would fold down, plenty of extra toilet paper. There was some cups and paper towels, but there was no moisturizer or any little extra amenities in the bathroom on economy class on this flight. So roughly about 6 to 7 hours into the flight, we came around with more food. By this time I was still awake, and it was a nice little sandwich wrap which I took, and they gave you some cheese with a Kit Kat, and some Arnott's crackers and an orange juice. I think I just went with some extra water on this one. And I saved the Kit Kat for Henry, so when he woke up, he could enjoy having the Kit Kat. You know, we were like 2 hours away. We've got a bill service again. And this time I've ordered the vegetarian pasta.
I didn't have that before.
This one looks a bit different. Once again, you get drink and a salad.
Did you think it was different?
So as we're getting ready to come into land into Abu Dhabi, Henry was enjoying playing some, is it Angry Birds in the entertainment, while the video on how to enter Abu Dhabi was being played. And here we are, we just touched down in Abu Dhabi, and we're taxiing to the gate, and out we've come, making our way off the plane and into the airport transit after a 14-hour flight, and it was around about 11 PM by the time we actually landed. Oh,
You want to walk?
you want to walk? He wants to walk. Thank you very much.
Why is it?
Jeez, mate, we could have had a free ride. It's not often you get asked if you want to be driven. So after Henry declined an invitation for the taxi to the immigration and security area, we are walking through the airport into the new, relatively new, brand new Zayed International Airport here in Abu Dhabi. So we made our way through immigration and security, which was very quick. Actually had a line just for families as well, which was fantastic. We were able to get through the immigration and the security within about 15 minutes. The longest part was waiting for the bags, which even the bags were very, very quick coming out. Must give credit to Henry. He was great at being able to spot our bags on the conveyor belts coming out. I think there weren't a lot of bags coming off from our flight, so I think a lot of the people who were coming out of the flight from Sydney to Abu Dhabi were actually transiting and probably going on to other places in the world or on to Europe. So our bags were very quick coming out. Henry actually loved being able to get his own bag off. Saved us from actually getting it. Here he is bringing his bag over with Buddy, of course, who did not leave his side. So now we're making our way out to get a taxi from Abu Dhabi Airport. We didn't have one arranged. It was pretty simple, about a 5-10 minute process. You tell them where you're wanting to go, and we're on our way to the Warner Brothers Hotel. There's Tweety birds. Dorothy and Toto. Bruce Wayne, here's Batman's luggage. There's Batman's luggage. Don't touch. Yeah, Fred Flintstone's bag. Oh, there's the balloon from Pennywise.
Why does he have a balloon?
Alright, let's go in, Henry. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Walk.
What is that? What?
So we've just arrived at our hotel. We're staying at the WB Curio, the Warner Brothers Hotel on Yas Island. Oh. got Superman floor. 349. So we... Oh look, Henry, there's Scooby and Shaggy.
Why not the free?
This our room?
Yes.
Alright, oh look at the size of the door. Go in, Henry. Let's check out the room. What have we got?
Fancy.
Fancy? Oh, look at the bed. Oh, look who's on the wall.
Ah, cool.
Who's that up there?
Somebody too.
That's Scooby
It's
Doo.
Bugs Bunny.
That's funny.
Oh, funny.
Oh, I've got a big red telephone. Oh, the big TV. Oh, look, there's a comic book. And a desk.
And then you broke me, of course.
Hey?
This is about
There's no balcony, but what's across the road? Look, what's over there?
I don't
Oh, that free.
It's Warner Brothers World over there. You can't see it too well right now. Oh, it's a Smeg fridge.
sleep here.
Let's have a look at the bathroom.
It's fancy.
It is fancy, isn't it, Henry? Look at this.
What?
Is there any branding? No branding on the...
Where's our suitcase?
There was people.
Where's our
What
suitcase?
are you gonna have?
So,
Then where can
we
you
made
sit
it.
to see
Long
the
travel
TV?
day,
The
14-hour
lunch has
flight.
to be in front.
And we're here. And we're going to get some sleep because it's now what time?
12:05
It's now 5 past 12
in the morning.
in the morning and it's 7 a.m. Sydney time. 8 a.m. Sydney time, which means we've been up for 24 hours. So good night. We'll see you tomorrow.